Hello everyone and welcome to the Trade Ideas live trading room recap for Thursday, December the 13th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. This is the email address you can use if you have any questions for me. And this is a link to get into our 100% free trading room. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free room. I open the room every day at 9 o'clock. That's when I start to share my screen, get live on the mic at about 9:05. I go up to 3:30 Mondays to Thursdays and up to 3 o'clock on Fridays. This is a link for a subscription to Trade Ideas. There's a promo code there which will get you an instant 15% off, 15% off either the first month of a standard or premium subscription or the entire year of a standard or premium subscription. All right, well listen, I did a couple of other trades, but really I just want to talk about XPO. Mainly because, as I said in the room, first of all, big kudos to the room. Real, we talked about it certainly in the pre-market, and the rest of the room kind of gave all sorts of great insight into this short. This is a stock that has been damaged. There's some. It's funny because last night a company called Spruce Capital sent out an email. Typically they are short sellers, and they sent out an email saying we have one that we're going to expose today. Today being today. This was last night. So this was it. XPO already had a horrible day yesterday. Let's take a look at it on the daily chart. It's been falling. I think there's all sorts of maybe some financial shenanigans. I haven't read, I don't completely understand what's going on with the company, why, but I think, from what I can gather, financial shenanigans. So this has been weak, and then yesterday had the terrible day, but then again, that email came out. I'm not saying that's the only reason that this piled down like this, but certainly, that gave it a lot of impetus. So let me get back to the 15-minute chart. So I was in other trades. I'm not going to go over them because obviously this is the most interesting one. I did not get into it here. I did not get into it here. But eventually, after listening and reading a lot of the comments, and I understand that, I saw the comments, but I was doing other things. But I saw this and I thought, okay, here's the pull-up that everybody, there was a little pull-up there. There was a little pull-up there, wondering, okay, is it going to bounce? And a lot of people said, well, they didn't think so. So we kept watching it. I kept watching it, and I stuck an alert right here, right at the bottom of that candle and the base of that candle. And I ended up taking the short right here. I think it was 48.51. Covered a little bit here in case it couldn't get through the whole number. 48.04. I covered some down here at 46.50. So, we're talking $2 from that initial short. And now I'm just kind of holding on to see what's going to happen. Is it going to rest here? I really can't get hurt anymore. Again, I don't have that much left. The majority was covered here. I took some off here. I always seem to take a little bit off, especially if a stock does something like this. It moves so quickly, and I thought, okay, I've got to take a little profit just in case it was going to do this again. If it had done that, and it moved back up to where I shorted it, it wouldn't have hurt me because I'd already taken some profit. But anyway, bottom line is it still looks awfully weak. And this is just sort of a general shout out to the room. We're awfully supportive of each other. There's a lot of good information that was given in the room about XPO. And so sort of a general kudos to the room and Real. I think Real probably talked about it early on, but definitely kudos to the room. So that's about it. That's normally I go over some other trades and all that, but not today. I'm just going to talk about this one because this certainly was the by far the most exciting one in the room. This is down 22% right now as we speak, down $13. So anyway, I want to get back into the room, so I'm going to just shut down the chart, bring back the capture program. So if you have any questions for me, you can use this email address. Again, the link for our 100% free trading room. All you do is you basically click on that link. We ask you to, I think we send you an email. You create a password, and that's it. Just the one time, and then you can come into the room. So I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern. So I hope everybody has a great evening. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.